Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. If you're new here, go ahead and take a quick second to like and subscribe because we got a lot of ground to cover today. So let's get into today's video. All right, guys, so welcome to today's video. I'm very happy to announce that this thing is finally running. So we're gonna go inside right now, get this thing cranked up and go through all the process that has led us to today. So this thing is pretty much almost ready to start. We just got a couple fuel lines that need to get flared and ran to the carburetor, finish up a couple little wiring for the fan, and put in the new fuel tank. In the backside, we've made tons of advances. Got the new bumper on, ended up changing the rear body panel, got this new quarter panel extension on because the other piece was broken. And now it's time to finish up some wiring and put the gas tank in on this backside. On the front side, we still have a good amount of assembly to do. And before I do any type of body work or sanding, stuff like that, I really want to assemble everything. So we're gonna go ahead and put the fender on, put the eyebrows on, everything, lights, bumpers, lower gravel guard, because I really want to get all the panel gaps on properly and make sure that we have everything to finish the assembly on this car. Once it's all assembled, we'll go ahead and finish up our exhaust setup. We went ahead and went with the GT style exhaust setup. So what that means is I have these holes in the rear valance, whereas before it was just the rear reverse lights. But now I have these really cool little trims that go around here, and then the little trumpets that come out right here, so the exhaust kind of gives a nice, more finished look. I'm really excited about that. I do have the passenger side pretty much all intact still. Driver side took a real big bang, so I got a lot of new parts from Dynacorn. This is that whole headlight bucket assembly. Still the original latch for the car. I got the fender extension for the lights. The headlight bucket. We gotta get this thing put together. So let's see where we get today.
Oh, fire! Oh my goodness! What's the procedure?
What a sight to see, guys. This thing is finally a full-blown roller. There's still a little bit of stuff left. We need a couple extra body parts for the front end so we can go ahead and put our bumper on, grill, and headlights. But overall, it's almost there. We still need a good amount of body work. We gotta line the hood, we gotta line the fender, we gotta do alignment on the door, we got some body work on this quarter panel. But we went ahead and ended up putting on the new rear body panel and the new GT style rear valance with the exhaust cutouts. So I got the trumpets that go on the bottom that pretty much make our exhaust come out through here. And this car came with factory reverse lights, so we're gonna go ahead and keep it that way. We got a lot of progress around the car, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some time to do that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that led up to this thing starting. All right, looking in the trunk, you see a lot of the factory orange color, and we're still going back and forth to see if we're gonna go ahead and replace it or we're gonna keep it factory orange. If we do go ahead and change the color, we're gonna have to go ahead and do something with this trunk because it's orange everywhere. We went ahead and replaced the gas tank, the filler neck and everything like that, and went ahead and reattached this whole rear back panel. So we still need a little bit of body work in these edges, but overall this thing's looking really nice. On the passenger side, to be honest, it looks like it was pretty much unscathed. There was a little bit of a dent right down here and a little bit of body work towards the bottom of the door that was just kind of there previously, that, you know, whoever painted this previously didn't really do all the body work. But overall, I mean, I just gave this thing a quick wash and it looks great, and we're almost there. Just seeing it in this condition makes it so nice to see. I'm gonna go ahead and open our engine bay and show you what that looks like right now. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. It feels like such an accomplishment to get this thing running. And next week we're gonna be getting the exhaust done and maybe getting this thing finally fully assembled to get it on its maiden voyage. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and notification button, because we got a whole lot of more things to do on this Mustang. So again, thank you guys so much. Go ahead and follow us on IG. I'm gonna go ahead and drop our links right there. Again, thank you guys. Here at SOS Customz, we got you covered. Peace.